Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows 10 2004 or later, virtualization enabled, and administrative access. Once done, open PowerShell as admin and enable WSL and Virtual Machine Platform with 2 commands. This installs the subsystem kernel and hypervisor support. You do this now because WSL depends on those layers to run Linux distributions efficiently. Make sure to reboot after the feature install so the kernel updates apply. Without a restart, subsequent distro install. You continue by installing a distro. If you use WSL install, let it fetch Ubuntu by default. Otherwise, run WSL install distro to pick one. After the install, create your Unix user and set a default distribution so commands target the right environment. Once in, update the distro packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to get security fixes and tools. Also configure optional features like Windows terminal integration and file sharing to streamline your workflow. You finish by tuning resources and integrating tools. Create a WSL config in your Windows user folder to limit CPU, memory, and swap so workloads behave predictably. Once configured, access your files through \WSL$ in Explorer or /mnt/c inside the distro for scripts and builds. If something breaks, first restart the LXSS manager service or run WSL shutdown, then WSL update to refresh the kernel. This resets states without reinstalling. Use logs from WSL stack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.